numbers. All right, this is called the box method for long division, and this is how fourth graders learn how to do long division. So we have the standard way of writing a long division problem, and this is what you're used to seeing with the how to write a long division problem. What we're going to do is we are going to put a box around our problem. That wasn't a very good box. I'm going to fix that. Okay. And then we're going to divide it up into columns here. And we are going to label it based on place value. This is our ones, tens, hundreds, and our thousands place. And then we all had an acronym when we were younger. The acronym that I have taught them is every McDonald's sells cheeseburgers. Okay, and so we go through this acronym, and so we start out with estimating. So what I do is I ask them to estimate. So if we have 4 M&Ms in our hand, how many times can I divide 4 by 4? Well, I can take 4 M&Ms out of 4 one time. So that's our estimation. Then I'm going to multiply. I multiply 4 times 1, which is 4. Now I'm going to subtract. 4 minus 4 is 0. So then I'm going to check my remainder right here. Is 0 less than 4? Yes. And then, sorry, cheese and then burger should actually be another word right here. And then I'm actually going to bring up. So I'm going to bring this 0 up here. Then I'm going to start back here at the top. So now I have 6 in my hand. So I have 6 M&Ms in my hand. How many times can I take 4 M&Ms out of my 6? Again, I can only take 4 out one time. So I'm going to put my 1 at the top. 4 times 1 is 4. Then I'm going to subtract, which is 2. I'm going to check my remainder. Is 2 smaller than 4? Yes, it is. So I'm going to bring it up. I'm going to bring it up here. Then I'm going to start back at the top. I'm going to estimate, which is every. I have 20 M&Ms in my hand now. How many times can I take 4 out of 20? And I can take 4 out of 20 5 times, because 4 times 5 is 20. So I'm going to put my 5 right here. Now my McDonald's is multiply. So 5 times 4 is 20. Now cells is subtract. So I'm going to subtract 20 from 20, which is 0. I'm going to see, which is check my remainder. Is 0 smaller than 4? Yes, it is. So I can keep going, which is B, which is bring up. So I'm going to bring it up right here. So now I have 8, and I go back to the top. I have 8 M&Ms in my hand. How many times can I take 4 out of 8? I can take 4 M&Ms out of 8 2 times. So I'm going to put my 2 at the top here, and then I'm going to multiply. 2 times 4 is 8. So I'm going to put my 8 here. Go back to subtract. I'm going to subtract 8 from 8, which is 0. Now I'm going to check my remainder. Is 0 less than 4? Yes, it is. So then now I can bring up. If it's a 0, I am done. If there was anything left right here, since I'm at the end, that is where it would become a remainder. but since it's a 0, I don't have a remainder. That means my answer would be 1,152. And again, this is the box method for solving long division, and this is how we teach how to solve long division in 4th grade. This is the step before the actual typical long division method for solving, and they will learn the normal long division method when they get to 5th grade, but in 4th grade, they are only required to learn how to solve long division using a model, and this is what we consider as a model. Thank you.